Hello students, this is Professor here, and today we are going to continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 3.1, and we will do question number 6. Okay, and the question number 6 says express the following in a standard form. So what do you mean by the standard form of a rational number? So the standard form of a rational number means its simplest form. Okay, means the numerator and the denominator should not have any factor in common. Okay, the only common factor should be 1. Understood? So for question number 1, it is 15 by 17. Okay, so this is the question, so you have to express it in the simplest form. So but I want to tell you it is already in the simplest form. Why? Because we don't have any such factor with which we can cancel these two. Okay, for example, if you move to question number B, it will be more clear. So minus 14 by minus 49. So this is the question. So I can cancel this minus with this minus sign, isn't it? Moreover, I can cancel this with 7 2 is 14, 7 7 is 49, isn't it? So what is the simplest form? It is 2 by 7. So now this is the simplest form. Okay, but this was not the case in the question number A, because as it was already in the simplest form. Okay, so like in question number C, we have minus 16 by 56. So can we cancel it? Yes, obviously we can cancel it with I hope we can cancel it with 8. 8 2 is 16, 8 7 is 56, right? So it is minus 2 by 7. Don't forget the sign. Okay, it is minus 2 by 7. Okay, similarly you can do number D. Understood? So we'll move to question number 7. So find the absolute value of the following. So what do you mean by the absolute value? So the absolute value means no matter what is the sign, we will just take the positive value. Okay, means absolute value means simply positive value. Okay, even if we add, and the absolute value is given like this with a bar, and this we can call it as a mode. So if minus 2, this is just example. Okay, if I am writing this as minus 2, then it will be plus 2. No matter what the sign is, we'll just take the numerical value. So the absolute value of minus 2 is 2 only. Okay, what is the absolute value of 3 then? Simply 3. If the value inside the mode is positive, then also we'll take positive. No matter what the sign is, we will take positive. Simple as that. Okay, so you have to find in question number A, you have to find the absolute value of 7 by 10. So you have to write absolute value of 7 by 10. So the absolute value is denoted by this type of box. This is called mode. Okay, mode, MOD, mode. Mode of 7 by 10 is how much? Simply 7 by 10, because it is already positive, it will remain as it is. Okay, so similarly for question number B you can do. Okay, now for C, question number C. C is minus 3 by minus 5. So if you try to take the mode of minus 3 by minus 5, first this minus and minus will be cancelled. It will be mode of 3 by 5. Okay, I'm just simplifying it. So simply it will be 3 by 5. Mode of 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Okay, so next if I do number D is minus 6 by 13. So if I try to take the mode of this, okay, so we will leave the sign, we'll just take the value. So it is 6 by 13 only. Okay, similarly you can do for E also. Okay, so no matter what, we will take the positive value. Okay, and I believe the question number 8 is wrong. Okay, so this one I don't know what the question is trying to say, because it is saying write the first 4 ye following. So I don't know what the question is trying to say, but I can predict. I can just manipulate it to find the value of W. Okay, so this is what I can do. So you make this question as find the value of W. Okay, and it is just a printing mistake, and you can see there is no question number 9 in this exercise, isn't it? Now we have question number 7, 8, and then directly to 10. Okay, so we'll just do number 8 now. Okay, and the question has been manipulated to find the value of W. Okay, so you have to find the value of W, in which number A is minus 2 by 3 will be equals to 6 by W. Okay, so how will you find? You will try to take W in the left hand side, remaining all the numbers in the right hand side. Okay, so as I already told you, if we have such case, what will you do? We'll do cross multiplication, means this and this it will go up. Okay, so I can do one thing. This W cannot come up, isn't it? Equals to 6 is already there. This 3 will come up, isn't it? And what will come down? This -2 will come down. Okay, I am only trying to keep only W at the left hand side because I am trying to find the value of W. Okay, remaining everything I am trying to take it to the right hand side. So that is just a cross multiplication. This W will go up and -2 will come down. This 6 will remain there only because I am not trying to keep, take it to the left hand side because I just want to keep W only here. Okay, and this 3 will go up. Okay, so I can cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, isn't it? So W will be equals to 3 3s are 9 by -1. Okay, so what is 9 by 1? Simply it is 9, and this minus sign will be there, so -9. So what is the value of W? It is -9. Okay, understood? So next one I will do for number C. Okay, number C, I can write it like this: 9 by -5 equals to W by 25. Okay, so simply I can write it like this: W by 25 equals to 9 by -5. Okay, understood? Just I am writing in opposite because I can say whether if I say suppose there are two students, okay, and one is Ram and one is Hari. If I say the age of Ram is equal to the age of Hari, okay, that means they are of same age, right? Or I say the age of Hari is equal to the age of Ram. That is the same thing, no? Whether I say age of Hari is equal to age of Ram or age of Ram is equal to age of Hari, that is same thing. So this is equals to this can also be written as this is equals to this. Okay, so this is how I have done. So why? Because I will only keep W in the left hand side. Others 9 by -5, so this will go up, isn't it, into 25. Okay, so what I'll do, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So it will be W equals to 9 5s are 45 by -1, isn't it? That is simply -45 as previous one. Okay, so this is how we will find the value of W. Okay, so in the similar fashion, I want you to try all the sums, that is till if, and submit it in the group. Okay, so you just have to find the value of W, as I have already given you the hint how to do it. Okay, so do it and submit your assignment. Thank you very much.